Hi people, it's Archivist here, and today I would like to talk about the future of games consoles. For decades, consoles have essentially followed the same basic framework. You buy a box, you buy games, you put those games into the box, and then you play. Over the years, many new features have been introduced, such as playing online and watching movies through services like Netflix, but essentially the design philosophy has remained the same. However, with the rise of cloud gaming, this could be about to change. Cloud gaming is an idea that is currently flawed but has enormous potential. The basic idea is that the processing required to render a 3D game takes place on a separate server, allowing the device you're using to play the game at a much higher graphical setting than it would be capable of producing on its own. I've made use of services like OnLive before, which have allowed me to play games like 40k Space Marine on a netbook, which is in itself a bizarre yet wonderful experience. However, issues arise due to the data infrastructure not being as strong as it needs to be. Input lag and low quality images are often associated with cloud gaming in its current state. However, over just a few years I have seen improvements, and given another decade or less, cloud gaming could become the standard. With all the major computing tasks being taken care of on a separate server though, what will be the point of a games console? I don't think cloud gaming is going to lead to the death of games consoles, but it will almost certainly create a change in size and role. Rather than a big box under your TV, instead all you may need is a USB stick that can receive a Wi-Fi signal. And if you want to develop the idea, smart TVs might gain the ability to play games without the need for any external device at all. In effect, your TV will be the console. Of course, this change would also affect gaming laptops. No longer would gamers have to compromise mobility for performance, as even the slimmest ultrabooks would be able to run the most demanding games. Furthermore, gaming PCs would also inevitably be affected. What would be the point in buying a top-of-the-range graphics card if the cloud servers already use the best GPUs available? The biggest hurdle that cloud gaming is going to have to overcome before becoming mainstream is a universal increase in internet speeds and stability. It won't be enough for it just to work in countries like America and England. If console manufacturers want their devices to be successful, they're going to have to work everywhere the current consoles do. Another theory is that all gaming devices will become handheld. If mobile data signals become strong enough, then you'll be able to play the best looking games everywhere you go. And of course, if you wanted the classic experience, all you would have to do is stream the handheld screen to your smart TV. Cloud gaming is certainly an interesting idea, but it will be a while before it replaces our current methods. As always people, thanks very much for watching and see you next time.